Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to solve the situation when one of the earbuds are not working for the Samsung Galaxy Buds FM, which I have right here. So there are multiple ways how we can solve this issue. The first thing that you can try to do is that you want to go to the app when you're going to connect it, and then you want to go to, let me show you. Wearable, and you want to go to the earbud settings and you want to press reset. So you're going to press reset and reset them. This is the first thing that you can try if one of the earbuds are not working. So the second thing that you can try to do is that when you're going to close the case and open it, you want to hold both of the earbuds, the top of them. What you're going to do is going to reset. So you want to do it with at least like 15-20 seconds, and you will see that the light is going to blink from red to green, red to green, red to green. And you just want to hold and wait for like 10-15 seconds, and maybe this is going to also work for you. So I'm going to hold it like this. And now release, and I'm going to close the case. And now I can open it again, and I can see that, okay, it has been resetted. So try it out if it's going to work out for you. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.